Now that your Clea account is approved, you need to fund it before you can make any international payments. Hi there, and in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to fund your Clea account before you can make any payments. You can fund your Clea account with bank transfer with Naira or USDT, and you can as well use USDC. Each method has different use cases, and I'll explain which is best for your situation and why. Now let's start with the most common method, Naira bank transfer.
So you are going to log into your already created Clea account with your username and password as used during registration. Then to fund your account, you could either use Naira or Stablecoin. So when you go to the engine balance, that is to fund the Naira. So you click on fund, then it takes you to the bank transfer. And when you click on that, every time you generate an account with Clea, there's an automatically generated wallet for you. You click on the account number, then you go and transfer from your bank, then that gets added to your wallet.
Now that is method 1, Naira transfer, and it is the most common one because it's very straightforward and very familiar, just like your usual Naira transfer from one bank to another. No hidden fees, no wait, very fast. Now let's look at the correct.
So to fund using stable coins, you go to the drop down and you choose USD balance. Then after clicking that, you click on fund and it takes you to the stablecoin page. You could either fund with USDT or USDC. When you click on that, it takes you to the payment site. Then you can click on what network you want. You can select what network you want, what currency. It shows you the wallet address to transfer into. Then you would also input your transaction hash and you submit that transaction, and your money is automatically added to your USD wallet.
And that is exactly how you fund your Clea account. Very fast, very easy. Very stressful. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop any questions in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Once again, I am Clea, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.